Hi, welcome back. I'm playing Slime Rancher. So this game was just free on the Epic Games Store recently, so I was like, whatever, I'll grab it. And I just want to play, because I remember this game a long time ago. It was really popular, and it still seems like a cool game. And I haven't seen anybody play this game in a very long time, so it's probably pretty updated. I finished the tutorial. It's pretty simple. If you don't know this game, you just grab slimes and get money from the slimes. You're a slime rancher on an alien planet. That's why it's called Slime Rancher. But it's pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna play the game. I don't know if I'll do a playthrough of this. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I still don't really. Oh, dude, this guy. Oh, you can. Wait. What do you give me? What was that? I don't know. Oh, no, the giant. I got a rock port. Oh, dude, they hit me. Well, unlike its own effect. So you don't want those ones? Oh, sick. So I guess I have a map? Yeah, I do. Ah! Bonk. Bonk. Run. I don't know where to go. I'm just kind of exploring right now. God, no. Way too big. Oh, crap, almost that. No! No, wait. I have an idea. Oh, the little slime things are so cute. Look at this little guy. Die. Ah, no. Oh, crap. No. Yes. Okay, I had a great big tree like this one. Well, I had a great big tree like this here went along the edge of my property back on the earth. It had been there before anyone could remember. It survived all kinds of change around it, and then one day it began to notice it was dying. It wasn't anything unnatural. It was just time to. It was just its time, I suppose. And then I realized that if I didn't do something, I'd end up like that tree. I'd spend my whole life in the same place. I wasn't going to let that happen. So I bought a ticket for the far range the very next day. So, this is the planet we're on. It's called far range. Apparently. So, I don't know. Oh my god! Oh my god. It's like a razor tar thing. Oh yeah, I think I heard about like this tar thing. There's one. Or something like that. Oh my god. Run! It's a chicken! Eat them. Ah! I accidentally threw my crystal. Huh? Sucks. Whatever. Gift box. Oh, yeah. No! Whoa, what's that? Where'd it go? I don't know what went. I got like a special reward from that. This entire cave system was sealed off from a cave in which when I first discovered it. Maybe that's why the fellas up ahead are so grumpy. Haven't had a bite in a long time. In any case, don't let that long-awaited bite come from your own rump. Bring some food to calm them down. I am okay. I wanna go in. Oh, those are aggressive. They came out of nowhere. Jesus. No! I threw my thing away! Come on! Yes, okay, let's go. Feral slimes. It's hard to be. Okay, I wasn't able to read it. Ooh. We're gonna go up back to my ranch. I'm a ranch. Crystal ornament. Jeez, I can't not talk. Wait, where's my ranch? Is that it? No, I think it's this. Oh crap. Pretty sure it's this, so keep going forward to my right. How big? Okay, yeah, the map just looks like it's big, but it's small. Oh! I got money. No! My slimes are getting out. No! Ah! Put all these slimes in. Oh my god, no, this is not good. You come back here, slime. No! No, no. Dude, the thing went up. Did you see how far that thing went? Oh, whatever. I have way too many slimes. Yes, I think I know what I have to do. I think you can build like a wall. I think I heard it over it. Like higher walls. Oh, I can't purchase. Okay, maybe then I can just buy another one of these. Okay, I can. I don't really know what to do with the slimes. Okay, some of you guys gotta come here. Oh god, pink ones still can go out. You kidding me? Yeah, I won't be able to come out now. Oh no, that's awesome. Hey! Perfect shot. Well, in video games at least. Wait, what? Wee. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh wait, what? Oh yeah, it stopped in midair because I did that. Let's play slime baseball. Slime catch. Look, I can stop it in midair. Oh, almost. Look at this. What the heck? Oh, wait, they're giving me stuff if I feed them? There. All that money! Wait, what? Crystal ornament. Whoa, whoa. What? Wait, what do I do with this? Wait, so... slip. Return to the ranch. Okay. Let's, wait. What if I, okay, I don't know if I want to put these together, because they might, I think they actually get, like, aggro with each other if there's certain types of ones, but I think those guys are, like, always happy, but they may kill, you know. Does this matter what they are? Please. No, I need $5. 5 more bucks. I mean, I'm gonna need, okay, what do they eat? Like carrots or something? Is this like a, cause that's blocked off, okay. We'll unlock that later. What's this ornament for? Has a rock solid convention. Chicken stuff. I'm pretty sure you feed the stony hen to the rock ones. Oh wait, I'll actually be able to buy another range with this, and I can do the. Oh. Okay, I did make that one. Oh, sure, for sure. Okay, so now. Oh, whoa. Hi. Oh, they can jump out. Are you kidding me? No. Get him back in. Get him back in. Okay, well, oh, I should have bought this. Oh, just for safety, I'm gonna suck some of these out and put them in there because I don't know where to keep them. I mean, because I don't know what to do with this. We'll shove this in here. Oh, they're eating it. Oh, they ate it. Give me that. Wait, no! Get back here. Eat. Okay. Ready, people? Hey! That was a nice shot, actually. Get our slime, get our slimes. So I think these eventually grow. They'll eventually just grow. I don't know though. Okay, let's throw this at it now. So now she'll give me that. Okay. Ah, it's the army! Get him! Get wrecked, M8. Hashtag memes. Dude, it's a mini chicken. Give me that. Okay, I can't carry any more of you, so you just have to. Let's go! On a crusade. You get back in there! It's gonna make it in. Ready? I'm not even gonna have to look. No, I can't. Oh, it did make it in! Get in there! Oh, shit. I yeeted it over. Man. Dude. Jesus, that was stupid. No way! I'm actually not doing this. This is stupid. Now get in the stupid pen. Please. Thank you. I'm a goddamn slime ranger. Phosphorus. Okay, I'm gonna need a way of getting food for these guys. Actually, I don't really need any more slime. Oh, dude, no. I don't know what I use it for, but I actually thought it was my phosphorus slime. Oh, here we go. I can grab these. So I'm pretty sure they grow. Yeah, and I can actually go. Okay, whatever. You can eat that, but give me this. Thank you. Okay, ready? Eat them. Eat the carrots. Okay, well, I can't. Okay, well, I gotta go. Okay, now I have to just slime ranch and yeet. Eat. Okay, give me this. No, I didn't mean to. No, you. Give me my pork. No. I don't want some more slime until I'm able to get some more money. What's a chickadoo do? Oh, I should have read that thing. I am. Oh! Oh, it's Plart Mania! Dude, look at this. Give me orange, harder pink plants. I can't grab that one. Wait, chickadoo. Okay, didn't do anything. Okay, I didn't go the right direction. Whoa. Okay, I'm out. Gotta run. Slime Rancher, a psychological horror game. I like the running, it just feels so smooth and fast. No. You're kidding me. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna end this video here because I am. Oh wait, I got a mail. Okay, we'll read this and then we'll go. Oh, it's just a ranch exchange. I'm not gonna read that, but I know where it is over here. Let's just check it for a second. Doorways, help me out here, and I'll make sure you get that. Get what's owed. Oh wait, is that a tutorial? No. Oh, okay. Oh, I get it. And the rock stuff. That and I get it. Okay, that's actually a pretty good trade. Okay, but I I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna play some more Slime Rancher in the future. Okay, but so far, I'll see you dudes in the next video. Bye bye.